So when I was recording this, I didn't even think about the chainsaw in the background, where you can hear my voice, which I'm right now trying to explain you is the thing about the felling fork. It's the spang part. It's for log floaters. I don't have an actual felling fork, so we use that. You stick it into the bark, which you will see in the video, and the next thing which I'm gonna explain to you is that log. It has a notch in it where you put in the end of the log that the felling fork is on, and then this is the contraption that you call a bear.